Welcome to this session of Energy Conservation and Management. Myself, Anirban Sarkar, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department of JIS College of Engineering, Kolkata. We are discussing about Module 3, that is Total Energy Concept, CHP cycles and their applications. Today's session, we will discuss about cogeneration case studies of gas turbine generator and unfired waste heat boilers, that is applicable for a pharmaceutical industry, and the cogeneration of an automobile industry. The learning outcome after completion of this session, we will understand how cogeneration systems are applied in a pharmaceutical industry and automobile industry for the best possible way for a conservation of the energy. First of all, gas turbine generator and unfired waste heat boiler, that is applicable for a pharmaceutical industry. Generally, in continuous process industries requires more energy in the form of steam than electric power. Power to heat ratio less than 1. The cogeneration system having configuration of gas turbine generator and unfired or supplementary fired or fully fired waste heat recovery boilers are found working, providing the best performance result among various cogeneration configurations. Moreover, in such type of cogeneration systems, it is possible to achieve number of combination to meet the industry's specific need of energy in different forms, besides achieving optimum cogeneration efficiency. The examples of such plants can be seen in petrochemical plants or pharmaceutical industry manufacturing facilities. This case study is based on the system working one of the largest pharmaceutical plants in Gujarat state. Equipments. The captive power plant consists of major equipments detailed below. That is, two number of 4200 kilowatt industrial heavy duty gas turbine generator sets, two numbers, that is 10.55 TPH, 9 kg per centimeter square and 200 degrees centigrade unfired waste heat recovery boilers. Cogeneration equipment data is mentioned in the below. For gas turbine, that is type is industrial heavy duty, number of installed 2, ratings 4200 kilowatt. Speed of the turbine 17,120 RPM. Gas turbine compressor inlet design condition. Pressure, that is atmospheric pressure. Temperature is taken as 35 degrees centigrade. Altitude above sea level, that is 36.5 meter. Relative humidity 60%. Differential pressure measured in millibar, that is 100. Gas turbine heat rate at designed condition, that is 3164.09 kilocalorie per kilowatt hour, and cogeneration heat rate at designed condition, that is 969.01 kilocalorie per kilowatt. The compressor number of stages, that is 2, and gas turbine is 2. Exhaust flue gas flow, that is measured 16.35 kg per second. Exhaust flue gas temperature at turbine outlet, that is 548 degrees centigrade. And speed ratio of the gearbox data for the generator shaft, that is 17120 by 1500. The other generators data, that is ratings for apparent power, that is 5250 kilovolt, which is 4200 kilowatt. Power output at rated power factor. Generation voltage, that is 11 kilovolt. Full load current is 278 ampere. Rated power factor 0.8. Frequency 50. Generator shaft speed 1500 rpm. Excitation, that is self-excited brushless. Waste heat recovery boiler data. Number of installed, that is 2. Exhaust gas temperature at the boiler inlet is 542. Exhaust gas temperature out of entering the chimney, that is 140. Steam parameter at boiler exit, that is flow rate is 10.5 metric ton per hour. Temperature 200 degrees centigrade. Pressure 9 bar. Feed water parameter at boiler inlet, that is MCR flow 12 kg per hour. Temperature at drum inlet 105 degrees centigrade. Pressure 12.5 bar. Temperature at boiler inlet, that is 118 degrees centigrade. Feed water temperature entering economizer, that is 105 degrees centigrade. Makeup water temperature at preheaters inlet, that is 48 degrees centigrade. Makeup water temperature at preheaters outlet, that is 70 degrees centigrade. Exhaust flue gas compositions, that is average percentage of CO2, that is 6 volume by volume measure, volume by volume percentage. Average oxygen, that is 11. And average stack gas temperature, that is 230 degrees centigrade. The fuel specification and other relevant technical data are also provided. Fuel flow, that is 1250 meter cube per hour. Higher heating value, that is 9500 kilocalorie per meter cube. Moisture content, that is 50.27%. Carbon 21.71%, weight by measuring in weight by weight percentage. Hydrogen 3.09, nitrogen 0.20, oxygen 23.23, sulfur 0, and ash percentage 1.5. Alternative fuel data, that is used as high speed diesel. Fuel flow rate, that is 1145 kg per hour. Heating value, higher heating value 10,550 kilocalorie per kg, and lower heating value 10,200 kilocalorie per kg. Normal operating philosophy. The pharmaceutical plant works round the clock for the medical products manufactured using critical chemical process, as well as certain products are manufactured using the batch type process. Hence, the system is bound to experience wide variation in the demand of power and steam from time to time. Moreover, Even in case of continuous processes, the demand of power and steam is based on simultaneous operation of number of plant section producing same product depending on the production level. In the case study provided, two number of 4200 kilowatt gas turbine generator along with 10 TPH unfired waste heat recovery boilers are operated at full load with minimum backup for electric power from the state utility. In case more steam is required than available from waste heat recovery boiler, existing fired boiler are utilized as per demand of steam. The gas turbine generators are run in parallel with state utility, which provide advantages in the sense that in the event of tripping of one of the gas turbines, the plant power load to that extent get transferred on the grid without any interruption or voltage fluctuation to critical processes. For meeting shortfall in the steam supply, natural gas fuel used to run the gas turbine is fired in the existing fired boiler to generate the steam. Whole processes takes very nominal time without disturbance of any sort of critical drug manufacturing processes. Utilization of power. The electrical energy generated from the captive power plant is totally utilized in operating the process equipment such as large HT motor, driven air compressor, agitators, mixture, pumps, utilities, and plant office area illumination. The production of antibiotics is extremely critical continuous chemical process, and production of formulation is carried out using batch process. Thus, the industry imposes varying power load on the system. In order to optimize the performance of CPP, the parallel operation with state grid is resorted to so that the gas turbine would always operate at full load, passing the load variation on the grid system automatically. When gas turbines are operated at full load, they maintain optimum heat rate and thereby efficiency. Moreover, the steam availability from waste heat recovery boiler is also maintained to optimum, requiring least occasions for operating fired boiler to meet steam requirement. This plant has been found working at excellent efficiency level, maintaining attractive economics for the cost of power and steam. Utilization of steam. Maximum steam availability is 20 ton per hour from the cogeneration power plant. Major quantity of steam is utilized to run the steam fired vapor absorption chillers machine, in which the heat available in the steam is almost fully utilized. The chilled water generated VAM is circulated around the fermenters as microbial developed in the fermenters requires temperature controlled environment for survival. Though the motor driven compressor chillers are installed in the plant, they do not operate, resulting into substantial savings of electrical energy. Number 2, the chilled water is available in abundance, which is also sent to various plant and office buildings for air conditioning. Except for few window AC units, there is central air conditioning plants working in the factory, saving against electrical energy to great extent. Number 3, the steam is also utilized for autoclave of fermenters to make them free of any bacteria, as well as some quantity in the process of heating, etc. The condensate available from vapor absorption chiller at temperature around 65 to 70 degrees centigrade is recovered and sent back to the cogeneration plant for recycling. Thus, the losses are minimized to great extent. Power plant performance analysis. So based on power plant data available for cogeneration facility, the performance indices are observed, that is energy input, that is here as a natural gas, quantity 32,000 meter cube per day for one turbine, that is 1,333.3 meter cube per hour, and 2,666.7 cubic meter per hour for two turbine. Fuel CV 9500 kilocalorie per cubic meter cube. Energy input 253.33 lakhs kilocalorie per hour. Electric power 8000 kilowatt. Heat output 68.8 lakhs kilocalorie per hour. Gas turbine efficiency, that is 27.16%. The steam output quantity 21.1 pph, enthalpy 67.6 kilocalorie per kg, heat output 142.64 kilocalorie per hour, total energy output 211.44 kilocalorie per hour. Overall cogeneration efficiency is 83.46%. The plant load and factor efficiencies are also provided, that is turbines at 4200 kilowatt, two turbines which is rated at 10.55 pph waste recovery boilers also, that is plant load overall efficiencies varies between 90 to 95%, factor efficiency, that is 83 to 85% varied. The power load on the new steam turbine generator is maintained almost constant due to their better performance. The steam load is also maintained on the connected boiler, and as such, the plant load factor and efficiency are observed better in this system. The power load variations are generally taken care of by the steam consisting of older steam turbines and boilers. As such, the plant load factor and efficiency has been observed marginally in comparison to Island 1 mentioned above. The average age of the gas turbine and waste heat boiler is around 7 years. The specific steam consumption derived based on enthalpy difference method is found only marginally offset from the data provided by the manufacturer. which could also be due to some disparity between required and actual inlet steam parameters. There is least instrumentation systems installed in individual gas turbine for temperature measurement of natural gas quantity, as well as separate instrument system for measurement of total quantity supplied, which is quite useful for cross-checking of natural gas consumed. Actual data for steam generation via fuel is not generated for the CPP based on derivation of specific steam consumption. Noted steam parameters such as pressure and temperature, power load maintained, and analysis for baggage. The fuel consumption can be derived, which would be reasonably accurate data. The heat balance for these cogeneration systems are provided. That there are two sets of that is island 1 and island 2, that is two sets of installations are there, each comprised of one turbine and a waste heat recovery boiler. So first of all, air inlet from the compressor and through the combustion chamber, it is flowing over the gas turbine. Then the flue gas is moving to the waste heat recovery boiler, and the steam is generated and it is sent to the HP steam for the process. And while the flue gas is passing through the water preheaters, and ultimately it is going to the main stack. Next is, that is number 2, that is reciprocating engine system in an automobile industry. This is one of the new breed of gas-fired reciprocating engine based industrial cogeneration project proliferating in France is the Pugo CHP installation at Millhouse. This particular case study is taken from Modern Power System magazine. The equipments, this cogeneration plant consists of major equipments details below. That is one 1830 kilowatt industrial heavy duty gas fired reciprocating engine generator set, 11.2 TPH 16 bar 201 degree centigrade unfired waste heat recovery boiler, and two numbers of 550 meter cube per hour 78 to 88 degree centigrade hot water generators. Cogeneration equipment data are also mentioned. That is engine type Wärtsilä CW 12V220, number of installation that is 10, brake horsepower rating that is 2715, speed of the engine 1500. Engine inlet design condition, air temperature 35 degree, pressure normal atmospheric pressure that is 1.0332 bar, altitude that is above sea level 51.5 meter, relative humidity 60%, different pressure minus inlet pressure measured in millibar that is 75, fuel that is primary fuel is heavy fuel oil, engine heat rate at design condition that is 2042.21 kilocalorie per kilowatt hour, specific fuel consumption that is 180.5 grams per kilowatt hour, specific lube oil consumption 0.8 plus minus 0.3 grams per kilowatt hour, exhaust flue gas flow that is not available, and exhaust flue gas temperature at engine outlet 40 degree centigrade. Generated data, ratings for apparent power that is 2500, power output at rated power factor that is given 10 into 2033 kilowatt, power output at rated power factor site condition 9 engines running at 9 into 2033, and total heat input, that is 9 into 1650. Generation voltage 400, full load current is 3508.5, power factor 0.85, frequency 50 Hz. Generator shaft speed, that is 1500, excitation self excitation brushless. Waste heat recovery boiler data, that is water tube single pass vertically unfired single pressure waste heat recovery. Exhaust gas temperature inlet 390 degrees centigrade, and exhaust gas temperature entering hot water generator 112 degrees centigrade. Exhaust gas temperature at chimney 125 degrees centigrade. Steam parameters at boiler exit. Flow rate is 11.2 metric ton per hour. Temperature 201 degrees centigrade. Pressure 16 bar. Hot water generator data, number of installed 2. Quantity of hot water generated 2 into 550, and hot water temperature 78 to 88 degrees centigrade. The fuel fired in this plant is as follows. The fuel consumption except methane index number are not provided in this article and hence not presented. So fuel data, that is natural gas, methane index number is greater than 72 given. Normal operating philosophy, the plant has been set up as joint venture Cummins Wärtsilä and Peugeot, and the operation and maintenance has been provided by Cummins Wärtsilä. Peugeot is car manufacturing plant with capacity to manufacture 1600 cars per day. It is the largest industrial facility in the region of France. The reciprocating engines are fired with natural gas. Maximum power that the engine can generate 18.3 megawatt when 9 engines are in service with 1 standby. Heat energy available in terms of megawatt is 16.5 in the form of steam and hot water. The generators are operated in parallel with each other with no backup from the state grid. The exhaust gas flue gas from the reciprocating engines are diverted to waste heat recovery boiler, which generates 11.2 TPH steam at 16 bar pressure and 201 degree centigrade temperature. The steam is supplied to the car manufacturing plant. Balance heat available in the exhaust gases emanating from waste heat recovery boiler is utilized for generation of hot water. Further, the engine cooling systems are used to provide the additional heat to generate hot water via 2 heat exchangers. The hot water is available within temperature range of 77 to 88 degrees centigrade. The hot water is also utilized in the manufacturing plant. Utilization of power. Total electric power generated from the cogeneration plant is sent to grid via 400 volt by 20 kilovolts step-up generator transformer, and Peugeot is continued to draw power via grid as per practice prior to setting of cogeneration facility. When the engines are operated at full load, the plant maintains optimum heat rate and thereby efficiency. Moreover, the steam availability from waste heat recovery boiler is also maintained to optimum level to supply steam to the manufacturing plant. The system has been observed working, maintaining excellent efficiency level and attractive economics for the cost of power and steam due to utilization of substantial energy available in primary source fuel. Utilization of steam and hot water. The plant is major consumer of process steam heat, which is utilized in the car painting process. to its full potential. Reef stoppage alternate source of energy for painting substantial energy savings is also achieved. The plant is situated in one of the France's coldest region, hence the space heating is must for working personal comfort. Utilization of hot water has resulted into savings of electrical energy used earlier for providing the space heating. Power plant performance analysis. Some interesting data for the plant performance for 6 months has been provided in this article. Guarantee electrical efficiency 41%, guarantee cogeneration system efficiency 72%. Electrical energy generated in cogeneration plant 647.608 lakhs kilowatt hour. Energy generated in the form of steam 169.337 lakhs kilowatt hour. Energy generated in the form of hot water 258.213 lakhs kilowatt hour. Primary energy consumed, that is natural gas, 175.036 lakhs cubic meter. The plant overall heat rate and efficiency is given 1 to 1 kilocalorie per kilowatt hour and efficiency 70.4%. Assuming lower calorific value of natural gas 75,000 kilocalorie per cubic meter cube, the heat rate and cogeneration efficiencies are simultaneously given. Increasing competition in the motor industry is causing the leading player to focus increasing various ways and means to reduce the production cost. Outsourcing of heat energy adopted by the company as solution has resulted into savings of energy. Prior to selection of reciprocating engine, the gas turbines were considered. The competitive advantage of reciprocating engines derives from their higher electrical efficiency for a given set of conditions and with the same fuel consumptions. The electric power produced by reciprocating engine is more than that of for turbine, resulting in better economy. Moreover, the reciprocating engine requires lower gas feeding pressure, that is around 4 bar against 70 to 20 bars for gas turbines. Hence, gas compressor was not required, saving enormous cost of the plant. Auxiliary consumption in reciprocating based power plant is the least among all cogeneration systems. And these are the heat balance diagram is given for this industry, where the gas engine first of all draws energy and in the form of natural gas, and it is producing power to Peugeot plant supplied. The exhaust is passing through the waste heat recovery boiler to the chimney, and the engine cools, the engine cooling system also producing hot water, which is useful for the used inside for the conditioned air. And from the waste heat recovery boiler, that is steam is generated. So with this, we are likely to conclude this session. These are the references. Thank you for joining this session.